This fish quivered when I shot it. I dove to the bottom and waited patiently. But I didn't see anything. I started running out of breath, so I took one last look before heading to the surface. This bass was just chilling next to me the whole time. I lined up a shot. Lights out. I could feel the vibrations through the line.
That's so weird.
Although it's still twitching, the fish didn't feel a thing. A well-placed shot like this is the most humane way to dispatch a fish. And that's why